Every day may not be a good day, but there is something good in every day. Hello everyone! Welcome back to me. I am B of Grace and Grit, and today I'm going to share the importance of this Lent season. So ano nga ba yung Lent season? Yung Lent season is a reflection, a repentance, and renewal, inviting us people to grow spiritually. So it encourages us self-discipline through prayers, fasting, and act of charity, even in a small way. So when you say charity, it doesn't mean that it's a financial aspects. So pwedeng nandiyan ka lang, you give your shoulder to cry on. So mga ganon. And may see it as a chance of resetting our priorities, yung pinapalalim yung ating faith, and prepare our hearts for Easter. So I have a few reminders of how to celebrate this very important season, especially sa mga Catholic Christians like me. So I think one is make time for quiet reflection. Each day, even it's just a few minutes, so take time tayo mag-reflect. So ano na nga ba nangyari sa buhay natin, and what do we want to happen in our life? And tayo ba ay nakaka-align pa sa purpose na gusto ni Lord? And also, second is practice natin yung mga small sacrifices natin. Why do we need to practice small sacrifices? It helps us to become more mindful and compassionate. Then give generously. Bakit ko siya in-emphasize to give generously? Whether through kindness, service, or supporting those in need. Especially ngayon na nasa crisis tayo na nangyayari dito sa atin sa Middle East. And we're all praying for the safety of each and everyone. And mag-spread lang tayo ng love para hindi nagkakaroon ng ganyang mga kaguluhan. Ayan. And then, I always believe to stay consistent kung anong ginagawa natin. Stay consistent but don't be hard on yourself. This season is actually about progress. Hindi siya para maging perfect tayo as a human being. So, maging consistent tayo sa mga ginagawa natin, especially doing good. And yung pagbibigay natin, generously, kindness, support sa ating kapwa, and then yung mga small practices natin ng mga sacrifices. Ano ba yan? For example, mahilig ka mag-gadgets. So, i-sacrifice mo na meron ka lang certain time para gumamit ka ng gadget. O minsan, like me, I love sweets. Ayan. So, pwede natin siyang i-practice small na sacrifice, like kung before, kumakain ka talaga ng napakadaming sweets or chocolates, so pwede kang mag-sacrifice na, okay, konti lang yung kakainin ko. And then, most importantly, yun nga, you need to make time for your quiet reflection. So, pwede nakaupo ka lang. Some people, they do a lot of reading the Bible. Then, nakaupo sila, nagdadasal. So, mga ganun bagay. So, again, yun ang importance ng Lent season or yung Semana Santa kasi malapit na po yan, no? Sa Sunday, I think is palaspas na. So again, ang Lent season is a reflection, repentance, and also renewal of our spiritual life and self-discipline, and i-reset your priorities. Kung nagagawa mo naman yung priorities mo, hindi, parang nag-review ka lang. So, check natin yun. So, yun lamang po and have a blessed day to each and everyone. God bless.